All right, last step for now. We're not going to worry about this bottom part just yet. Now we're up to the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, you plug in 0 for x, because when it crosses the y-axis, x is going to be 0. Okay, so you're just going to plug in 0 for x. So let's go to our problems. Okay, so here's my problem right now. 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so again, the rule tells us plug in 0 for x. So I'm going to go, there's my 1. I'm going to plug in 0 anywhere I see an x. So that says 1 over 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. This simplifies to a fraction which is just 1. So that's my y-intercept is 1. Again, just like the x-intercept, I want to write it as a coordinate point. So it's going to intercept the y-axis at 1. So I'm going to write 0, 1. Okay. My next problem. Plug in 0 for x. So I have x minus 5 over x squared plus 1. Anywhere I see an x, I'm going to plug in 0. So I have 0 minus 5 over 0 squared plus 1. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. 0 squared is just 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Negative 5 divided by 1 is negative 5. I'm going to write it as a coordinate point. So 0, negative 5. Part C. So now for this one, all I have left is the numerator. These all got canceled out, so I have x plus 1. Anywhere I see an x, I'm going to plug in 0. 0 plus 1, which is just 1. So my y-intercept is 0, 1. Now again, here's a you-try problem. If you want to do it on your own, go ahead and pause. So 1 over x minus 4 times x plus 4. Anywhere I see an x, I'm going to plug in 0. So I have 1 over 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So I have 1 over 4 times negative 4, which is negative 16. So my y-intercept is going to be 0, negative 1 over 16. It is allowed to be a fraction. That just means it's going to be super close to 0. Be careful with this one because they are being multiplied, so you don't just want to add the 4 and the negative 4, you want to multiply it. So that's y-intercept. All you do is anywhere you see an x, you plug in 0 for x.